BKT growing together. Spin Master Monster Jam Series. The Ride Truck. Chase Piece in Series 11. Here is the other trucks in Series 11. Dragon, Batman, Gravedigger, Bounty Hunter, Salvager, Raising Cane, Alien Invasion, Soldier Fortune, Black Ops. Let's go ahead and unbox the BKT Ride Truck. Get out the wristband. Here we go. Ooh, green. Kind of goes with the truck. And all it says MonsterJam.com. The Monster Jam logo. And that's it. I wish it had the name of the truck. In Series 11, it is Dragon. And then we have all of the rest of the trucks in this series as well. On to the Ride Truck. Wow. Here we go. Loving the green wheels that goes along with the green on the truck as also. Here is the nice logo of Monster Jam on the side and different types of tires on the side, which goes well. And here is the ride seats in the back of the truck. It says MonsterJam.com on the tailgate. It's maybe hard to see right there. You can see it like the lights also. And then the steps to get up into the BKT Ride Truck is closed and lifted up. Also turning it around, here's the front of the truck. I believe that all of the ride trucks have this kind of bumper in the front. I enjoy how it also has the BKT tires in white. And here's some more detail in the front on the grille, the lights and everything, and then BKT growing together on the hood, and then on the opposite side of the truck, and then a nice Monster Jam logo on the roof of the truck. So there it is, the Ride Truck chase piece of BKT here in Series 11. Thank you for tuning in.